Good morning, Athar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Athar, did you take attendance yesterday?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
beta. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, tell me, did you take attendance yesterday? Athar?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Mr. Vishwa yesterday absent.
You were absent yesterday? All right, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, only SST class. Present.
You were absent only in the SST class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yesterday SST class did not take place. It wasn't conducted because I was also on leave. You had arrangement of file, ma'am.
I'm Pratyaksh Rathi present.
Pratyaksh Rathi. Pratyaksh, what about yesterday? Were you present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am, I was present yesterday.
Okay, Atharv, you were present yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash Raj, beta, you were present yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Arpit Verma, you were present yesterday.
Good morning.
And beta, what about yesterday? Were you present?
No,
No? Okay.
ma'am.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
All right. Arpit, you attend your classes very less, beta. Why so? Hmm? How many leads did you take in this, in last period? Sorry, in the last week? No reply. Okay. Better try to attend your classes. Try to be regular. See, all other students are also regular.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Then I have Rishabh Kumar.
Good
Rishabh,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Rishabh, you were present yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Rishabh, it's your duty to take attendance daily and mark the students who are present in each period. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. But beta, I want you to do this work very diligently. Okay? You will not miss any period.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all made gratitude flower? Did you all complete your gratitude flower?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you did not do it?
Ma'am, Mr. Vishwa done.
Done, very good. What about you, Samya? You've done. Stuti, you have done. Rishabh, you have done. Yes,
Ma'am,
Pratyaksh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will done.
You will do. You have not done. You have not completed. Done. Yes, I have done. But I will done is nothing. I will done is wrong. Either I have done or I will do. Okay. If you have done something, say I have done. If you have not done, say I will do. Clear? Okay. Now, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to start a new chapter in SST.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Open your books. I think it's page number 32. I don't have the book, but I think it's
Ma'am,
32. Yes.
excuse me, ma'am, we will read or we will write difficult words.
First, we will write difficult words. I will share screen with you. You all will write difficult words first. And then we will come to the chapter explanation. So for that, all of you open your books also, and all of you open your copies also. I can see so less students today.
Ma'am, chapter 5 is page number 32.
Yes. Okay, chapter 5 is page number 32.
Ma'am, in these days, there is very less students.
What beta?
In these days, there is very less students.
Okay, in these days, very less students are there. What is the reason? In other periods also it is like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rishabh.
Others period.
I'm in one class, there are only 6 students.
Okay. Which class was that? Which period was that?
Yes, ma'am, you have called me.
Yes, Rishabh, I was saying beta. See, can you see? So less students are here. So I want you to take the attendance and send it to me in the last period. Okay. When you will take the attendance of 7th period, you will send me all the names.
Okay, ma'am, I make the.
And put today's date. Write down today's date on the top. What is the date today? 22nd June. Okay.
Ma'am,
You will,
I will write his name. Those are present.
yes, only those who are present, you will write their names. Who is Ansh Patel?
Good
Ansh,
morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. Who is Ansh Patel? There is no Ansh Patel in my class.
Ma'am, today we have started new chapter.
Yes, we will start a new chapter today. Ansh Patel, beta, open your camera. Arpit and Manas, you also open your camera. Ansh, beta, who are you? Are you from class 4th A? Okay.
Ma'am, I am Harsh Patel. By mistake, it's right, Ansh Patel.
Okay, beta. Okay. Harsh Patel. Harsh, you were present yesterday also? Yesterday you were present, beta, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma-
tomorrow.
Manas, you were present yesterday?
Ma'am, but tomorrow there are no class of SST.
Yes, there was no class of SST because I was on leave, beta. I was absent yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I'm
Yes, ma'am.
asking you. I have to fill the register. So I'm asking you were present or not.
Yes,
Shirsh,
ma'am, I am.
Shirsh was present yesterday. He is not here in class today. Otherwise, he's always there.
Ma'am, he
But ma'am, Shrees is yesterday. Shrees is absent now.
Yes, yesterday he was absent.
present.
Present.
No, ma'am, present.
Present. Okay.
Ma'am, please take the attendance.
I have already taken beta. Manas, I have marked you present. Arpit, you were present yesterday or absent? You were absent. Okay, you said you were absent. All right. Then that's all. Very less students. Okay, Shirsh has now attended, now joined. Shirsh, why are you late today? Late by 10 minutes. Okay, children, all of you open your SST copies. I'll send you what is to be done. Write down the heading, chapter name, domains of the earth, chapter 5. Write down today's date and put the heading difficult words.
Ma'am, can I write my name also?
Where do you want to write your name?
Okay, ma'am.
Where do you want to write your name?
Ma'am, dominance of the earth.
Domains. That is why I'm telling you to open your book so that you can see a few spellings from there also. What do you mean by domains, beta? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of domains? Domains means areas. Domains of the earth is different areas of the earth. What all areas are we talking about? We are talking about, see, the earth is made up of land, it is made up of water, it is made up of atmosphere. So these are what? These are different areas of the earth, right? So we are going to study land, water, air in this chapter.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of attendance?
Attendance. Okay, attendance is.
Ma'am, firstly we will do difficult words.
Yes, firstly we will do difficult words. So write down the heading, difficult words. Attendance is ATTENDANCE. Attendance. DANCE. Okay, now Rishabh need not take it right now because of this period I have already taken. Okay, you will take for the periods when I am not there.
This is the first difficult word that you are saying.
No, this is not the first word. This is the chapter name, beta. This is the name of the
Ma'am,
chapter.
Worksheet is also done. You will. Yeah.
Your worksheet is also done.
Yes, ma'am. Already.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, after writing chapter 5 domains of the earth, we have to write difficult words.
Yes, you have to write difficult words. Now I'm sharing the screen with you for these difficult words. And you can write the first word domain. The first word you can write domain. Okay. All of you can see the words now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am, what is the second one word?
Okay, the second word is lithosphere. It's lithosphere. 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 After lithosphere, it's biosphere, then atmosphere, hydrosphere, condensation, evaporation.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, on fourth one I have written hydrosphere. So can I write atmosphere on the fifth one?
Yes, beta, no problem.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, what you have written second?
Second, Mishti, you're still on the second word. It's lithosphere.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is ninth one?
The ninth word is, okay, wait. The ninth word is aquifers. 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 Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there is more than.
Yes, there are more words.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very quick.
Ma'am, what is tenth one?
10th word is precipitation.
Ma'am, what is the fourth word?
Fourth word is beta atmosphere.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, can I change the page, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
No,
have.
ma'am.
Yes,
No,
I
ma'am.
knew.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, after this, my page is full and after this difficult words, can I write at the front of the difficult words? Then another difficult words, can I write the front of the difficult word?
There are 24 difficult words in this chapter. So you need one more
Ma'am,
page now.
the meaning now, can I write in this difficult words? And ma'am, please see my video.
What is the
Beta,
ninth one?
Ninth word is aquifers. Aquifers. Beta, I am not understanding what you are saying. Where do you want to write?
Ma'am, please see my video.
Where is your video? Where are you? Let me see.
Ma'am, tell me
Yes.
the spelling. What
See.
word you have? Ma'am, tell me the spelling. What word you have written? Sixth one.
Condensation. 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 Mishti, what are you asking?
Ma'am, I am asking this thing.
No. Who
What
was
is-
asking,
what
ma'am,
is-
see my video? Who is saying?
No, ma'am. Manas.
Manas, where are you? Wait. Let me come to Manas on my screen. I can't see Manas. Where is Manas? Yes, beta. Now show. Okay.
Ma'am, after this, can I write?
Yes,
here?
beta. Yes, you can write here. Make a line and write here. If there is space, you can do this. Okay, children, I want all of you to complete this work and send it on the class group. I will actually check who has sent and who has not sent. After doing these difficult words, are you listening to me? Yashraj, Yuvraj, Arpit, Jajat, Araf Solanki, are you listening to me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Each one of you will
Yes,
send me the
ma'am.
work. Otherwise, I will post on the class group who has not sent.
Ma'am, these are difficult words.
These are difficult words.
Ma'am, now we are done.
Yes, no,
please
no,
change
no.
the page.
First we will complete the words. Beta, turn the page. Okay, can I change the page now, everybody?
No, ma'am. Said I am writing the text.
Okay, tell me, Yajat Gangwar, beta, were you present yesterday? Yajat, Arav, Yuvraj. Three of you open your cameras first of all. Arav Solanki. Yajat, you were present yesterday, beta? No, absent. In any of the class, you were not present. Then I want to know about Yuvraj. Yes, Yuvraj, you were present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Then what about Arav Solanki? Arav Solanki was present yesterday. He is not connected to audio.
Also present yesterday.
Arav, you were present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Open your camera and sit in class. Everybody, Kartik Kumar Arun. Kartik, where are you these days? You were
And
present.
what you have written 10th word?
Precipitation. Precipitation. Kartik Kumar, beta, open your camera.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Kartik has just got up. Huh? He is into sleep. Kartik, you
Ma'am,
want
I
to go back
just
and
see
sleep?
2 more sheets.
You have just
Ma'am, I just see 2 more sheets in the class. Yes, ma'am, there is 2 more sheets.
two more.
Ma'am, there are two sheets.
There are two Shirsh. Okay, Shirsh, you have logged in from two devices.
No, ma'am.
Then who is this second Shirsh? But I can see only one Shirsh in class.
Ma'am, he
Shirsh,
has left.
Shirsh, you have written 6th B. Instead of 4th B, see what you have written.
In the class tomorrow. Yes.
Shirsh has been promoted to class 6 already. Huh? Okay, now that another Shirsh has left. Okay, everybody has done this page. Yes, Arav Solanki, beta sit down
also done.
at one place
Yes,
and
ma'am, done the
complete your
page.
work. Arav, have you done?
Ma'am, please 1
1 minute. Now I will send this page on class group. Those who have not done from here
Okay, ma'am, I
will do
have
it from
done.
class group. See the next page.
Ma'am, again she has joined.
Oh, who is this Shirsh now? Who is the second Shirsh?
Ma'am, this problem is also in the class yesterday.
Who is this Shirsh, beta? Open your camera. I'm making this Shirsh remove. There is no Shirsh in my class.
Then this problem is also in math class.
In math class also.
Ma'am, there are two sheets.
Class and Hindi class also.
Beta,
Ma'am,
the
then-
Shirsh from class 4th B, please don't close your camera, okay?
And
Where
ma'am,
is
when
Shirsh
they
from?
open the camera
Yes.
is blank.
Camera is blank. Oh, this is bad.
And please zoom it.
Remove and remove. I have removed both the Shirs. There were 3 Shirs today. Shish, why is somebody after you, huh? Why is he renaming himself as your name?
I don't know.
Yes. Mystery, huh? Mystery. Okay. Now write it, children. The next page is here. And those who have not done the previous one, I'm sharing the page for you in the class group. Fine.
Ma'am, I've done.
Where you have done what?
Ma'am, I have done the first page.
Yes.
Ma'am, the 13th word is icebergs.
Icebergs. Yes. It's icebergs.
Ma'am, please send the previous one.
Beta, I have sent the image. See in the class group. I have already sent it.
And what is the spelling iceberg?
Icebergs. Ice and bergs.
Ma'am, what is 14th word?
14th word is wait. 14th is favorable. Favorable is like something that favors you. It is suitable. When the weather is good, we say the weather is favorable to go for picnic today. Yes, what Shirsh?
Ma'am, he joined first time in the math class.
Okay, then what did Maria ma'am do?
I'm removed and removed.
Yes, that is what we are supposed to do.
And ma'am, then in Hindi class,
Then what did Payal ma'am do?
I'm removed.
Okay. And he didn't reply? Teachers questioned?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did teachers question him?
Yes, ma'am. Who are you?
Okay.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, what you have written? 16.
16th word is community. Community.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Excuse
what
me.
is word?
Yes, beta, say Arav.
Ma'am, my network problem, so screen is scribbling. So send in a group this page also, please.
This page. Okay, beta, I'll send.
Ma'am, please tell what is 20th word?
20th word is carbon dioxide. Now I have sent both the pages in the class group.
But ma'am, my carbon dioxide is coming in 19th one.
So that means you have missed one word, Pratyaksh. Or maybe you have written the numbers wrong. First check your numbers.
Please tell the after process what is written after processes.
Which one, Manas?
Last one, ma'am, blanket.
Blanket. Yes, the last word is blanket. Okay, Pratyaksh, beta, read out your words. I will tell you which one is missing.
Ma'am, domain, lithosphere,
Hmm.
myosphere, hydrosphere,
No.
atmosphere, condensation,
Okay, yes.
evaporation, bandle, aquifers, precipitation, liquid, rustral, icebergs, favorable, presence, community, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon
See,
dioxide.
you have missed the 18th word, helium. Helium.
Ma'am, LIUM.
Yes, Helium. Okay.
And the processes is the 22 word, no?
Processes is 23rd word, beta. 22nd word is ecosystem.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
But in my copy, there are 22 word processes. Can I
Now,
read
beta,
all the words?
see, Manas, in your words, it's coming on 22 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have also missed one word. Now you also read it out. I will tell you which one you have missed. Read out your words from
Domain,
the. Hmm.
lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, condensation, evaporation, months, aquifers,
Mental. It's mental, not months. MANTLE. Mental. 8th word, beta, बाद में correct कर लेना. Next, go on with. Yes.
aquifers, precipitation, liquid, crystal, airbags,
Icebergs.
icebergs, presence,
Okay, see,
community,
you have missed favorable. The word on 14th number, third word of second page, favorable, you have missed that.
and can I write in the last one?
Yes, you can write in the end.
Ma'am, I have all done.
Very good, Stuti. Now say yes. No, don't send it like that. First underline the headings and all. And then send.
21 word.
21st word is innermost. Innermost.
Tell the spelling, ma'am.
INNER, inner, MOST, most.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of favorable?
Favorable. FAVOUR. Favor. Then able. ABLE. Favorable.
F-A.
Yes, FAVOUR.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Go better.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, only these difficult words only.
Yes, now there are till 24. There are in all 24
And what
difficult
you have
words.
written 23 word?
23rd word is processes.
Ma'am, I have sent on WhatsApp.
Processes. Processes. Okay, you have sent on WhatsApp group. Shirsh has sent his work. Then who is sending me next? Hurry up, I want to see who is sending.
Ma'am, Misty Mishra.
I will put a tick on Shirsh's name. Now I am actually going to make a report of your work sent. Who is completing the work and who is not completing. Today is 22nd June. Yashraj has sent. Okay, good. Shish has sent. Yashraj has sent. Very good. Arav has sent. What about Mishti, Pratyaksh, Manas, Rishabh? Mishti has sent. Very good. Then Stuti, Samya, Atharv has sent. Mishti has also sent. Okay, how many are left? Rishabh is left, Stuti, Samya, and who else is left? Yajat, Yuvraj, Kartik, Yajat, Yuvraj. Arpit has sent. Very good.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Who is doing? Yuvraj is doing. Okay, Yuvraj, beta, right after finishing, send it.
Ma'am, I have sent.
What about Kartik? Kartik has not sent. Arpit, very nice work. Very neat work, beta. Good. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
And be regular in your classes.
Okay, ma'am.
What about Yajat? Where is he? Yajat has left the class. I can't see Yajat anywhere now. I will write on the group work not submitted by. I will write it right now.
Ma'am, please wait. I am standing.
Yes, Rishabh, you have done. You can send. Manas, what about you, beta? Manas, you have not sent. Pratyaksh, what about you? You have also not sent. You have done the work, but you have not sent. Where is Samya Alifia? Has she left? In between only? I can't see Samya. She was there. Pratyaksh, very good work. Very nice.
Ma'am, you know, in our Hindi creative class,
Hmm.
Karthik's mother says that he was playing games.
Who was playing games?
Ma'am, Karthik.
What game was he playing?
I don't know. But her mother was saying.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Samya,
he plays game all classes.
Kartik,
Karthik.
Yuvraj,
Ma'am,
beta,
that's
you
why
have
he
not sent.
Ma'am, I am
put his
writing.
camera off.
Ma'am, please scroll down. And ma'am, he is not studying in any class. Karthik.
Oh, Kartik, why beta? Why don't you study?
Ma'am, he just joined and don't do anything.
Kartik, beta, try to do your work. See, other students are also doing. How will you be able to complete your work, huh?
Ma'am, I'm sending ma'am because in this mobile there are some camera programs, so I'm sending the link.
Okay.
Ma'am, attendance I all the class I will take attendance.
Yes,
Shafina
of
ma'am.
all the periods, of all the classes you have to take. Okay, Manas
Ma'am,
has also sent. Good work. Very nice.
Ma'am, 10
Ma'am,
seconds left.
Samya, Kartik and Yajat have not sent their work.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.